Hi guys, welcome to Creechman's Corner episode number 47. Today, although I look a bit too domesticated for a popular convention, you know what, wearing a robe afternoon, but if you can get past my appearance, I thought it would be fun to share a little rant about my experience with customer support earlier. I think everything's going to be alright, but for a while there it was dicey, and this particular customer support call was about internet service, but it could be anything, it could apply to anything. So I know y'all out there relate to that, so that's my rant for today. Okay, I just got off the phone with Clear. Okay, that's my internet provider and also my phone provider. And it is a wireless modem, unlike Comcast cable. So it connects my internet and phone through wireless modem, but I also had a third part of the service, which was this mobile internet. Because I had this little netbook that I would take to work with me. It has a little modem, USB modem, so you have access to the internet all the time. You don't have to be in a Wi-Fi zone. But since I am not working anymore and not using it, so it's like $20 a month, and I'm calling them up to say, hey, look, it's a nice service, but I'm not using it. I was on the phone with, God bless her, a Vietnamese lady who was processing my account, trying to explain to me, well, there's this hibernation option where it automatically will renew after a period of inactivity, and I was thinking, is there a difference? Do I have to pay for that? No, you don't have to pay for that. What's the difference between that and cancellation? Finally, it's like, oh no, wait a minute. I don't think I'm going to use this again, because the few times I need the internet outside of the house, I've got the iPad, right? And it's got AT&T wireless on it, so I don't need this anymore. I might get it again in the future, but I don't want to hassle with calling them to tell them not to automatically renew it, right? So I finally get that straight. But it's so hard to understand her, because between the sound quality and her accent, I just couldn't understand what she was saying. And I'm thinking to myself, this is exactly the kind of situation where she's going to process a cancellation order and everything's going to go dead. I'm going to lose my home internet, and then there goes that phone call, and I'd have to call back on the cell phone and get it restarted. And I'm like, please don't screw this up. I was staring at the modem while they were processing it. I'm sitting there listening to the hold music. I'm watching my lights on the modem, expecting them to just go dark, dead, because they're going to cancel my home internet. And fortunately, I had to clarify it and sound like an idiot, like a child, asking her 3 times, okay, I'm still keeping the home service, right? Just want to cancel this mobile USB modem on the netbook. I want to cancel the mobile service because I'm not using it, right? Just that one, just not the other one. But I still don't trust it. So that was about 15 minutes ago, and I'm still alive here. But, I guess I've been burned too many times on stuff like that. So it's like, what an ordeal. But now, okay, good. $20 a month. That's not much, but it is $20. I mean, why pay $20 if you're not using it, right? So there's my little customer service story for you today. And I did it in white.